Okay, this is a video about Dr. Greger and about chemotherapy. It just came out a couple days ago, and it's a very extraordinary video. He basically says his review of the literature on chemotherapy suggests that it doesn't work that well. On average, for the more common cancers, it tends to only increase life about 2 or 3 months. And there's certain issues about quality of life. The patients will tend to have a lot of side effects from the chemotherapy. So is it worth it for 2 or 3 extra months of life to suffer all those side effects? And it's a rather extraordinary video because, I've told you before, I'll never lie to you, but there's some things I'm not allowed to tell you. In general, the cancer chemotherapy business is like the mafia. They don't put up with competition, okay? And, you could make a minor video. I made a minor video, something about Gerson therapy, where I simply just mentioned this is what Gerson therapy group says on their website. I didn't make any claims about it. I don't have any experience personally treating a patient with Gerson therapy or anything like that. But that video was immediately taken down. It was not allowed on the internet. So what I'm saying is I'm amazed that he got to make this video and it's allowed on YouTube. Maybe it's still going to get taken down because, I've heard of all kinds of other stories where people promote a treatment for cancer. Like, look what happened to that lady, Yi-Hung Ko or whatever, from that book, Tripping Over the Truth in Cancer. She came up with the 3-bromo-pyruvate, which worked better than any other chemotherapy in the preliminary studies. And they ruined her career, ruined her life, and would not allow it to be put into advanced clinical trials for patient use. So what I'm trying to say is, chemotherapy is big, 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 big money, and they don't allow any competition. So for Greger to make this video, it's rather extraordinary. I'm kind of amazed by it. I'm amazed it's still on the internet. I never thought anyone would be allowed to talk about some of the problems with chemotherapy like this. So anyways, I'll put a link in the description below. Watch it while you can. I'll bet you it's not going to be up that much longer.